So today I'm checking out this impact wrench. Let's go ahead and take this thing out of the box and see what it comes with. All right, so I took it out of the box. It comes in this really nice little case right here. It's kind of like the semi-hard shell case. So let's see what's in here. And looky here, it looks like it's all fit and molded good for this actual device. It's not just an empty case where things are thrown in. So let me take all of this stuff out of the plastic so we can look at it. But man, I really like this case that it comes in. So as you can see here, I took the stuff out, and this is what I mean by molded. Like I haven't seen a case like this with an impact wrench. So I like how this is done. And then again, it's got this pocket up here where you can keep other stuff in it. So pretty neat. I like the case. All right, and this is what was in the case. So you get 2 batteries. I love that comes with 2 batteries. Great thing about just having 2 is you run one down. This one can be charging while you're running this one, right? So for me, 2 is like a minimum. Then it comes with battery charger, 1/2-inch impact wrench. It comes with a little strap here that you could put, on the case to hold it. It comes with your basic starter set of some sockets, an adapter, and then, it's got some of these smaller sockets. It's got some screwdriver bits. And then, of course, it's got this nice little bag here where you can put all of these sockets and all of these extra little pieces in this bag so that way you don't lose them, and then they'll fit nice back into the case. So that's what it comes with. Let's see how well it works. So a couple things about this I've noticed so far. One, it is brushless, and it's nice in the hand. I just like the way this one feels. Feels kind of like a subcompact, but it seems to have the power as a full, impact wrench. It does have settings down here, so you can adjust the torque. You basically hit the button, it powers on, and then you press these buttons to change high and low torque, and it shows you, how much battery and everything you have. So it's got a little bit of data right here, but it's just smooth. Like most impact wrenches, you give it, most impact wrenches that I've dealt with are just kind of like crazy. As you pull the trigger, it just goes nuts. This one's really smooth, and I like that. And then definitely variable with the trigger, so it feels comfortable. I mean, this is one of the nicer feeling impact wrenches in your hand. To try it out, I'm gonna come down here and take out some lug nuts. Take that out, no problem. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in because I don't really need to. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's got the torque, works great on lug nuts, things like this. Another thing this has is when you pull the trigger, there's a little LED light there to light up what you're doing. So that way, if you're doing something when it's darker in a dark area, you just barely touch that trigger there and the LED light comes on. So yeah, overall, I really do like this little impact wrench. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.